if it's clear, let's do a quick lab on how do we do the deployment using the admin console. For that, let me start the server. Excellent, the server is started. Admin @123.4. Just give me 1 minute. I wanted to do the screen pausing so that I can get the var file for you. Everyone able to see my screen? I have a file here called as an example.var file. That is what we'll try to deploy now. How do we do it? Ensure that the server is being started. Once the server is being started, okay, you'll get the message called as started, which confirms that the instance is being started. Once the instance is being started, go log into the admin console using the admin URL. Okay, once it is being done, go to the deployment folder, click on add, provide the path where the application is being available. The application is being available in so-and-so path. So go to that particular path and select the var or the whatever the file you have got to deploy. Select that particular file and simply press next. It's saying that, hey, do you want me to verify this particular application? What is the runtime name you want to give and what is the general name you want to give? You can give any name you want. 99.99% of the time, people leave it with the default names. Okay, click on enable. Unless until you didn't click on enable, although the deployment of the application is 100% successful, still it's not accessible to any one of them. If you people are from the WebLogic background, this is something similar to the WebLogic server deployment, which is called as a two-phase deployment. In the first phase, the application will be in the prepared state. When the application is in the prepared state, neither of any one of them will be able to access it. In a similar way, whenever you're trying to do the deployment, if you didn't check this particular checkbox called as an enable during the deployment, after the deployment also, then what will happen, this application will not be accessible to any one of them. Okay, this application cannot be 100%, even the 100% is being deployed, none of the customers can access it. So either you can select now or pause the deployment, enable. I'll select it, pause the deployment. Once it is being done, now select enable. The moment you select enable, assuming everything is syntactically valid, you get the success message here. Once it's being done, this application is being accessible. Anyone, any questions on how do we do the deployment using the GUI tool? Anyone, any questions?
Yes, Shiva. So my question is not related to how do we deploy. It's about the enable and disable. So if we are not enabling also, then also it will be deployed, but it will not be accessible. That's what you mean, right?
100%.
Okay.
Other than that, anyone, any questions? Kirti or Raja Reddy?
So once we deploy this example.var file, it stores in the module directory or like particularly I'm talking about the domain mode. So where did it store this deployment?
You're able to see that?
Yeah, temp test data and update.
You're able to see that, Rajara?
Yeah, temp
Yep.
test data. Okay.
It's not temp, actually you can see it as a standalone home.
Okay.
Because why?
So we are running in standalone mode, right?
Yep.
So,
Don't ask me about the domain mode. I don't know what is meant by domain mode as of now.
okay.
Okay. Clear till here? Anyone any questions? Okay.
So
Silence means
runtime mode means like